In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Adobe Acrobat link. If you want to make part of a PDF clickable so it opens a website, Adobe Acrobat makes that process fairly simple. This is especially useful if you're working with forms, brochures, guides, or any document where you want readers to quickly access more information online. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. First, open your document in Adobe Acrobat. Make sure you're inside the PDF where you want the link to appear. Before you begin editing, take a quick moment to decide exactly which word, phrase, or section of the page should become clickable. This helps make the link feel intentional and easy for your reader to understand. Next, click and highlight the part of the page that you want to turn into a hyperlink. This could be a word, a sentence, or another visible section of text. Try to highlight only the exact area you want users to click on. Keeping the selection neat will make the final result look more professional and easier to use. Once that section is highlighted, click on Edit or Format Text. This opens the text editing options you'll need in order to apply changes to the selected content. If your screen layout looks slightly different, look for the editing tools associated with text formatting. The important thing here is to enter the editing mode that allows link options to appear. After that, click on Add Link. This is the tool that converts your selected text into a clickable hyperlink. When you choose this option, Acrobat will prompt you to enter the destination for the link. Now type in the URL you want the link to open. Be careful when entering the web address because even a small typo can cause the link to fail. It's a good idea to double check that the address is complete and correct before moving on. If possible, use the full website address so the link behaves exactly as expected when someone clicks it. Finally, click Save. This stores the hyperlink in your PDF and applies the change to the document. Once saved, it's a smart idea to test the link by clicking on it yourself to confirm that it opens the correct web page. That quick check can help you catch any mistakes right away. And that's how to create an Adobe Acrobat link. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and easy, and it's a great way to make your PDFs more interactive and useful.